Y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we have some more spoilers for the BoxyCharm June base box. Now these are all palettes. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified. You don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing that you can direct deposit your stimulus check onto your PayPal or NetSpend card. And thank you so much, Jenny Meadows. Jenny says, good morning, Mandy. Hope you had a great Memorial Day weekend. Well, Jenny, thank you so much, honey. And yeah, it went all right. And I hope yours went well. And I hope your day is going even better. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video, Jenny. Thank you so much, honey. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned until the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first I'm going to show you what we already know of, and then I'm going to show you these new palettes. Now I did find this on Instagram, and it was actually on Joe's Facebook. So first, let's look at what we already know of, and then I'll show you the new ones. So first up, you know we're getting the Smashbox Setting Spray, and then the Pure Lease BB Cream. And then also, these palettes we have already seen. The first one is the Touch and Soul Fill Up Orange Eyeshadow Palette. And then this new brand, one of them is the Shared Planet Tiger Eyeshadow Palette. The next one is the Shared Planet Polar Bear Eyeshadow Palette. Now guys, let's get a look at all these Zoeva palettes. So I did end up finding every one of these palettes, so let's go ahead and look at them. So the first one is the Zoeva Nude Spectrum Blush Palette. Now I know that looks like bronzers, but you know what? It's called a blush palette, and I guess it depends on your skin tone. Next up, it shows the Zoeva Naturally Yours eyeshadow palette. And then it shows the Spice of Life eyeshadow palette. And then it also shows the Heritage eyeshadow palette. And then last but certainly not least, it shows the Premier eyeshadow palette. So guys, that is a lot of palettes, and I wouldn't be surprised if there's more of them. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. So let me know what you think about these palettes. Which ones do you want to see in your box? Which ones do you like better? Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Mallory Welsh. Mallory, honey, thank you so much for coming and watching the video. I really appreciate that. It just warms up my heart. I just couldn't be more grateful for subscribers like y'all. I really appreciate it. Honey, thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would, check on that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button, because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago, and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.